This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. I'm down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. And here we've got a brand new 2026 Peterbilt 567, 80-inch high roof sleeper, your dual side of cab exhaust, Texas style front bumper with some fog lights, stainless visor, chrome mirror covers, 265-inch wheelbase. It's got the Continental 11R 22.5 tires on high polished Peterbilt aluminum wheels. It's your polished depth tank, polished fuel tanks. Left hand side's 110 gallons, right side's 135. It's got two frame mounted toolboxes. It's got 40,000 pound air ride rear suspension, Peterbilt low air leaf. Stainless mud flap hangers, your FW35 Holland fifth wheel with a 36-inch air slide. It's got 336 gear ratio. Hogebilt stainless steel quarter fenders. Air horns on this truck are mounted under the cab to clear up the roof. Let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood, we've got our 565 horsepower, 2050 torque Cummins X15 engine. Behind that, we've got our 18-speed manual transmission. It does have air disc brakes all the way around. Let's take a look inside. Inside, we've got platinum interior, remote keyless entry, your leather air ride seats, extra gauges in the dash, pull out work tray in the dash on the passenger side. Got a Uniden Bearcat CB radio mounted up here in the center of the header. Back here in the sleeper, it's just a single bunk. Your extra storage cabinets up high. Your 22-inch flat screen TV mount. Storage. Down there we've got provisions for a customer furnished refrigerator. It is wired. Here we've got your sleeper controls. A little extra storage. More storage over here. See your 115 volt outlets in the back up here. We've got 3 of these trucks available. If you could use one, give me a call. 706-372-4698.